Hey people, so as you all know, I love doing these reviews for products that I think everybody should try, and products that really deserve a bigger share in the market. And that one of them would be Joy Skin Fruits, like apricot scrub, skin firming and dullness exfoliating, youth restoring with natural vitamin A. Yeah. So literally, yeah, people, I have been applying it, and it's made a difference. Like as in, normally see, yeah, winter season, one is, any kind of product you use, it has a very drying effect. Of course, right now I've applied 1 liter oil on my head, but that apart, when you apply this on your skin, this particular face scrub, it has it's like you can sense that your skin likes it, it wants it, so truly people, I can't recommend it enough. It's called Joy Skin Fruits, and you can find it on Amazon, I'm sure. And it's the kind of product that I think all of us with slightly sensitive skin and otherwise need to use. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.